Hello, Binsoy here, and in this video ay papakita ko yung isa sa mga tools na ginagamit ko for my Facebook ads marketing campaigns. Okay? And you will also get this tool if once you become a member of my mastermind group. Okay, so this software is used by yours truly para maka-generate ng targeted leads on Facebook. Kasi ang maganda sa Facebook ad, you can laser target kung sino yung gusto mong pakitaan ng ads mo. Okay, so in my case, I sell training courses and a marketing system for network marketers. So, for example, if I'm going to sell something to a certain group of people na members ng SWA Ultimate, so I'll just type in SWA Ultimate. So, automatically, the software will search for all the groups that has SWA Ultimate on the title or on the subject. Okay, so it's taking its time. So, hinahanap niya na ngayon, sinesearch niya na ngayon lahat ng mga groups related to SWA Ultimate. Okay, so imagine the possibilities. So, if you want to target people who are into fashion, pwede mong ilagay dito fashion, or if you like to target people who like or who are into a certain brand like Nike or Toyota. If you're selling, let's say for example, shoe cleaner, okay, so you might want to target yung mga brand specific na names like Adidas, Nike, Reebok, what else, sobrang basta everything that you can think of. Okay, so I think it's done. So all in all, it found 36 groups. So the good thing about this software is it can save all member IDs in just one click. Alright, and another cool feature ng software na to is you can extract just the passionate members or yung mga active members ng group. Okay, and you can also extract the power players. So these are the influential people, yung mga maraming followers. Okay, so that's how cool this software is. And once you extract all the files or all the member IDs, you can just upload them on your on the Power Editor sa Facebook ads. Okay, so we have a separate training for Facebook marketing on our mastermind team. Alright, so save ko lang. Alright, so I'll just create a folder. So, lagay ko yung SWA Ultimate Leads. Alright, so I just hit OK and OK, and voila, it's right there. Okay, so it has extracted 28,526 members na belong sa SWA. Okay, so imagine percentage lang. So let's say for example, post ka ng ad for these 28,526 people, and let's just get around 10% ng total members na bumili sa'yo. Okay, so that's more or less 2,850 members. Okay, so 2,850 members. So if you're selling a product that costs let's say for example 1,000 or 500 pesos, so that's 500 times 2,850, so you will get 1,425,000 sales if you only get 10% of these people to buy a product from you. Okay, so that's how powerful this software is. Alright, so thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.